Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Photoshop. I will be creating a basic double exposure effect. This effect is very popular. So let's begin. I have opened the same image, so I will be working on the same size. I make a selection with the quick selection tool, then I refine the areas as needed. I go to the select menu, then save selection, to have my selection saved in case I messed up things. I name it. When I go to the channels panel, there I can see my selection. I create a gradient fill adjustment layer for the background with a gray color. I reverse it. I put the layer background below of the girl. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Desaturate to remove the color. Take the city photo. I make a selection of the girl by pressing and holding the Control or Command key in the layer thumbnail, then click on it. I put the blending mode to screen to the city layer. I take the brush tool to delete some parts in the image in the city layer mask. I make a selection in the layer of the girl, and then changing to the layer mask city, I continue deleting some parts. I change the blending mode of this layer to screen also. Now, open the mountains image photo. I duplicate the layer, and then I convert it into a smart object. I take the selection tool, but I click on Select Subject. And that's exactly the part of the image I want. I click on the layer mask icon, and I will drag this image to the design. I will position it and scale it. The idea is to put the rock mountains fitting to the woman head. Put it to your liking. I create a layer mask to the Woman City folder group. I select the brush tool with black color, and I reduce the opacity if necessary. Now I select the Rock Mountains layer, and I do the same. By doing this, I delete some parts one don't want from those layers. I create also a layer mask to this woman layer, and I repeat the same process. I group this layers. Feel free to make any adjustments as needed. I rename this folder Mountains to have both the city and the Rock Mountains separated by folders. I create a new layer. I select the brush tool with white color at 100% opacity. Then I click here to make a light effect. I create another layer. I set my background to black, then I click Ctrl or Command and the backspace key to fill the layer with the background color. I convert this layer into a smart object. Then I go to Filter, Render, Lens Flare. I leave it with the first option, and I click in the preview to reposition it. Now I set the blending mode to screen. And this make pop out the previous light effect a little bit more. The advantage of Smart Object is that I can click in the effect filter name layer, and I can edit it and make any changes. I group this layers also, and I rename it. The last thing that I'm gonna do is select all the layers, then I click Shift, Ctrl, Alt and E at the same time to merge all the layers with a duplicate. I convert into a smart object. And I go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. In here I will adjust the temperature and tint a little. Also the exposure, contrast and shadows. The texture, vibrance and saturation. And the final adjustment, I put a vignette, so you can have those black subtle borders in the corners. So there you have it. Download the final PSD file in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.